said here another $100 mystery junk drawer. Got a little damage right here on shipping. But if you're wondering, whenever I buy it, what I see on eBay, pretty much that's it. I kind of see some treasure in here, but let's just unbox it and see what's inside. Alright, first of all, we got a hat, a pack of masks, some movie, a tool like a wire cutters. Ooh, box within a box. Ooh, wow, that's cool. Cardboard game. That's cool, I'll take that. Cardboard games are expensive. What is this? Not sure. Wow, no way. A whole roll of electrical tape. Electrical tape, brand new, is quite expensive. I can always use it up. Put it into my garage. For 2 rolls it's $8. Usually it's 12. Black Friday special. So this side here, $4 in itself, or even $6. So although it looks like a junk, but that stuff is expensive. Like this side here too. This side here by itself, $12 just for 2 of them. And look at that, 12, $24. I only paid $100, and we're over here at $28 back already. I'm not even counting the little junk. And look at that, this is a whole pack. That's crazy. I had to just buy recently a whole bunch of them. That's cool. Let's see. That side here in itself, another $12. That's probably one of the best junk drawer I've ever seen. Like that board game, at least like $5. Looks like there's empty rolls. That's a junk pile. Oh no way, does it even work? Wow, that's cool. I'll use it. It's refillable. That's a couple bucks over here. Some tools. I'll take tools, obviously. No way, look at that button. Wow, I don't even know what this would be worth, but it's so cool. You see there's a protector for the button. That is just so weird. Why would I even have that? Ooh, I see treasure over here. I see some coins. Are they real? You never know about junk drawers. Some other things in here. Marker. Still works. We'll use that. Sharpie. I don't know, looks like junk. Survival rescue blanket. Flashlight works. All that is junk. It is super cheap. That's safety glasses, brand new. I'll take it. Light sticks, no way. Glow sticks are always fun. We'll play that with the kids. That's probably $1 each. Level junk. Let's see, a whole bunch of cards, baseball cards. I know nothing about baseball cards. I think that's probably be a little bit more valuable, but maybe not. Sealed. That's cool. More flashlights. There's a TV cable. That's useful. No way, that one is something is expensive. UCO matches, brand new. So you just pull up your scanner and you can scan a barcode. This side here, $10. On top of it, another pretty good purchase. Another $12 over here. Maybe 10 because it's a smaller pack. But I'll take it. More junk, more cables and stuff. Waterproof matches. No way, hand sanitizer, I'll take that. Power cord, screwdriver, some kind of vintage screwdriver, some wipes, more flashlights. I'm set for life with flashlights. And any cash, your wallet, or baseball cards album. I have no idea, nothing about that. Baseball cards. Doesn't look very valuable. Some kind of steel cable, bottle opener. No way, check out that radio. That is cool. There's some good value of junk. Let's see what's the treasure hidden in this. Wow, Leatherman tool, vintage. This thing goes up to $100 because Leathermans are so popular. That's cool. Looks like a high quality. Yeah, I'll take a vintage Leatherman. That's nice. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Some treasure over here. 1963, 90% silver. That's like $4. Indian head, no date. It's probably like 10 cents each. A whole bunch of wheat pennies. So each penny that has wheat on the back of it, it's 3 cents each. So I could just put them in a pile. Once I have a couple thousand of them, I take it to a coin store. They'll put it through the machine, counting machine, and give me 3 cents for each cent. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of them. That looks like an old plastic bag. Oh look, there's a straight up $1. I'll take $1. Whoa, that's cool. That is something I could not even see. Somebody might not even know what it is. This is a really old 1828 5 cents. No, large cent. That's by itself probably like $24, $12. All about how vintage it is. All this 1828 going to be really old and valuable. Wow, that is cool. Didn't expect that to see. This is 1968. So 1968, that just 10 cents, no silver content at all. We're looking anything under 1964. So like this is $1.50, $1.60. 1959, another $1.60. Wow, look at that copper 1 cent. That is cool. I'm definitely gonna keep that one. I've never seen a copper round that looks like United States money. So we're getting some silver Indian heads. 1946, 5 cents. Not sure if that's silver. If they are, some of them are going to be like 40% silver. Definitely want to look through all this. 1964, another $1.60. This is fun. Some tokens over here. Steel penny. Maybe not. Indian head, no date, so not very valuable. But definitely have some unique stuff in here, like 1964 quarter. Look at that. That is hilarious. This is Indian head penny. Somebody used an artwork. Okay, what else do we have here? 2004, that's just 5 cents, but it's still money. 63, hard to find 10 cents over here, but that is another $3 in silver. Mix of world coins. Wanna separate those from wheat pennies. World coins like that, different countries that it has no silver. Coin stores, some of them will buy it per pound by weight, because you see there is 5 European cents, euros, whatever. So I want to double check. There is nothing else. There's some kind of cup around. That's funny. And the really most expensive items right here. Yeah, that looks legit to me. Let's double check. This is 2022 new design silver eagles. At the coin store you can buy them for still $35 because they're really hard to get. So together it's $70 right here just in 2 these coins. If you include everything, I paid like $80 something plus $17 shipping and taxes. So yeah, I paid what I get for. This is cool. That was a lot of fun. Biggest unexpected item is one of these large cents. That's probably like $12 to $24. Depends on the date. I'll have to research it.